there everyone, this is Lilith and welcome back to another one of my videos for All to New. Today I'm sharing a layout which I created with several products from the February 26th release. So I'm going to start with some of the nesting dies which I cut out of some pink cardstock, and I'm just arranging them on some teal cardstock just to create extra contrast. I'm trying to create a couple of layouts and using different colored cardstock instead of the usual white. So now that I've got my picture in place as well as the frames, I'm going to have a look through my little bowl with all of those new die cuts from the new release. I'll be using this lovely bold greetings die which says hello. And I'm just playing around with the different little elements. I think I'm going to use some of the flowers which I created. You can see one of them here. This one was created with the Open Blooms 3D die set, and you just cut out all the different pieces and then you stick them all together and you get this beautiful blue. To create a little bit more interest and to break up the background, I'm going to add a strip of this lovely polka dot washi tape, and then I'm going to rearrange all my elements again. I also pulled out the Fantasy Floral washi tape and just cut out a couple of those floral images, and I'm going to mix them in with the Open Bloom florals which I glued together. So once that is done, all I'll have to do is add a couple of sentiments, my title, and also some handwritten journaling. So there you have it. I used a couple of new products on this layout, and I also did something a little bit different using the teal background and those lovely pink nesting frames. There are so many possibilities with these new products. Just play along with them. If you've got any comments or any questions, just pop them in the comment section. And for more information on all of the products used, please visit the All to New Scrapbook blog or the All to New store. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a lovely day and happy scrapping. Bye bye.